Welcome back. In today's lesson, we're diving into a unique and powerful way to evaluate math expressions called reverse Polish notation, or RPN for short. Unlike, unlike traditional math, RPN puts the operators after the numbers, which lets us evaluate expressions without any parentheses. We write a JavaScript program that processes these postfix expressions using a stack-based approach. Let's explore how it all works. So what exactly is it? Reverse Polish notation. It is the format where the operator comes after the numbers. So instead of writing 5 plus 6, you write 5 6 plus. This removes the need for brackets and makes parsing super straightforward with a stack. Our job is to evaluate these expressions correctly, no matter how long or complex they get. Here's our RPN evaluator. We start by defining the four basic operators: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Then we split the expressions by spaces and loop through each token. If the token is a number, we push it to the stack. If it is an operator, we pop the last two values, apply the operation, and push the result back. And at the end, the stack contains one final value. That's our answer. Let's break this down step by step. We'll split the input, loop over every token, and keep an array acting as our stack. For numbers, we just push them. When we hit an operator, we pop two numbers off the stack, compute the result, and push it back. This simple logic continues until the end, where the final value left in the stack is the answer. So let's test our function with a few inputs. In 5 8 times, we will multiply 5 and 8 directly. In 5 6 plus 2 times, we first add 5 and 6 to get 11, and then multiply by 2 to get 22. And then in 5 3 4 times plus, we multiply 3 and 4 to get 12, and then add 5, resulting in 17. These examples show just how powerful and predictable RPN can be. Reverse Polish notation isn't just theoretical, it is used in many real-world systems. Scientific calculators rely on it for clean and efficient input. It is also a big part of how compilers handle big math during code execution. And if you're prepping for interviews, stack-based logic like this is a must-know. To wrap up, we've built a JavaScript program that evaluates postfix expressions using a simple stack. We've used object mapping for operators, clean array logic, and avoided any complex conditionals. It is the perfect example of how to work with parsing and stack-based logic in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.